How are you? I know there's so many people have anxiety and fear at the moment, but just remember you're not alone, that we're all doing this. Much as we long to be with others, it's terribly important, it's vital that we stay away from other people at the moment. It's the most important thing. So, as for me, I've moved in with a cat. Pretty sure the cat doesn't like me, but we'll get around to some kind of accommodation. So I'm grateful for the company. I'm also grateful that there's a garden here and I can be outside, and I'm so pleased to see the blue sky and have a bit of breeze, and it feels good to be alive. And out with the birds. I'm in Australia. All the birds are a bit strange here. I rather miss my New Zealand birds, the tuis and the bellbirds that fly around my place. They're beautiful bird song. And my goodness, I love birds everywhere, but the birds in Australia, they're so extravagant. They're so gorgeously feathered and extraordinary. It's like the female ones got really dressed up and the males went, well, you look really, really smart, and I'm going to be even smarter than you, and I'll put a big yellow thing on the top of my head or something. Anyway, I like them a lot, and I'm feeding them bird feed. Doesn't that look good? It looks good enough to eat. Little brown sugar and some, long life milk. You could eat it, it looks so good. What could go wrong? But no, the birds here, they look great, but they can't sing for nuts. They'll go, ah, ah, ah. There's one bird here, I don't know what it is, corowong, or I don't know what they're called, and it makes this noise. Ah, 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 ah. Years ago I lived in London, and there was a neighbour that used to make that noise at about 3 in the morning. And I used to think, well, good luck to you, mate, but could you just keep it down a bit? That's what I want to say to these birds. Sorry, I don't know why I told that story. Anyway, we'll all get through this one day at a time. And if we can keep our humour up and keep in touch by your phone or whatever it is, we'll come out the other end and all will be well.